What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, feel free to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content, and last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Y'all head over to IG, man, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well. Now, you guys seen the thumbnail, y'all seen the title, man. Y'all are here for one specific reason. Got a slightly early unboxing for y'all for these Nike Dunks. That regular red dunk box, you know, tag reads Nike Dunk High Retro, white, midnight navy, retail price of 110 bucks. Was able to grab this pair for retail slightly early. I'm not sure what happened with the local shoe palaces out here, but they released these joints kind of early. The release date isn't set for until September the 23rd or 25th, I believe. But here we have that OG white and navy Nike Dunk High, man. Championship navy, midnight navy, whatever you want to call them. Basic clean Nike Dunk, man. That regular white stiff leather that they always throw on these dunks, man. One basic color, the navy all the way around. Just a basic shoe, man. White and navy hits. Now, I do expect this shoe to 100% sell out, man. Don't get me wrong, but it's not going to be too bad on the resale market. Maybe 50, 60, no more than 100 bucks over retail. Being a $100 shoe, you shouldn't be paying more than 200 for this shoe, especially right after the release. This pair, like I said, I got a little early, and it's still already under 200 bucks, man. So I will set my cap at around 200 for these joints, man. But back to the shoe, man. It's leather all the way around. White panel, navy panel, white panel, navy panel. Just that regular dunk color blocking. Stiff white suede on the toe. Navy swoosh. Navy stitching on the tongue, man. Regular white navy on the back. Navy blue outsole. Navy sock liner, navy insole, but the Nike on the insole is written in orange, man. Super dope shoe. Like I said, you can expect this joint to sell out. Definitely try to hit your apps, man. Try to hit your raffles. Sneakers release will be coming up very soon on these, but like I said, even if you don't hit for retail, this won't be a shoe that's going crazy on the resale market, and it shouldn't be that hard to come by. But I just want to hit you guys with a quick unboxing, man. Let you guys set your eyes on this shoe. You can make up your mind if this is a shoe that you're looking forward to, if it's a shoe that you want to go ahead and pass, and maybe look on to something else, one of these hotter releases that are coming up very soon. Been seeing a lot of pair of early cool grays coming out. Just a lot of early pairs of the bread ones that are coming out in December. Are you ready for those releases, or are you still checking for like the every weekend, the low-key dunk releases and things like this, man? Leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how y'all are feeling. This is a cop, just a drop. Just leave me your honest opinion, man. With that said, man, I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing of this navy and white Nike Dunk High, man. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this shoe. Super basic, but still super clean. It's a classic style, classic colorway. Leave me an honest opinion down below. Till next time on the next video, man, we got the Nike Dunk Navy. Peace.